What's going on, everybody? Jake Dalton here with KAGED Muscle Supplements, and I'm gonna take you guys through a good workout today. So this workout's gonna be very different from what we've done. We've kind of hit a lot of body parts in the past trainers, but today we're gonna do something where you're actually making your body learn to recover faster. So what we're gonna do is we have a 4-station circuit. You're gonna go around each circuit or each station one time, and then you're gonna do active recovery on the assault bike. So you're gonna start with a 2-minute active recovery after your first cycle, jump on the bike for 2 minutes, and this isn't an all-out pace and it's not a super rest, it's in the middle. It's gonna be active recovery, so you're not going as fast as you can, but it allows you to kind of calm down a little bit. You're gonna do that for 2 minutes. The next circuit, you go around again. When you come back to the assault bike, you do 1 minute and 30 seconds of active recovery, just like the first one, just a minute and a half. And that's gonna make your rest period or your active recovery period a little bit shorter. Then you're gonna jump back into the circuit again, go around one more time, gonna jump back on the bike and go for 1 minute. And what this is doing is you're basically going through all the stations, which are gonna include pretty much your full body. You're gonna be jumping on the assault bike, and when you're doing that active recovery, you're actively flushing out the lactic acid that is being built up in the circuit. So each time you're flushing it back out, jumping back into the circuit, struggling again, building the lactic acid back up, jumping back on the assault bike and flushing it out again. But you're decreasing your active recovery time, making your body learn to recover faster. That's what this whole circuit's gonna be about. So the circuit is gonna include 8 overhead presses at whatever weight you want. This time I went with just 25s on the side, a little bit lighter because I do have some shoulder issues that I'm trying to avoid really just burning those out. Then the next thing, you're gonna do handstand push-ups, 8 handstand push-ups. If you need, you can do these assisted, put your feet on a box, keep your feet on the floor, go against the wall, whatever you wanna do. You're also gonna do 10 jump squats. Now explode through the floor, get in the air, back down, 10 of those. Then the last thing is 25 double unders with the jump rope. I have the RX Smart Gear jump rope, so I really like that one, but 25 of those. And so going around in all of those is one circuit. Like I said before, go around all of them, jump on the assault bike, 2 minutes. After the second round, minute and a half. After the third round, 1 minute. And you can do this again and go to 30 seconds, and then you can go to no rest time, no active recovery if you want. But this should be a fun circuit. It should teach you and your body to recover a lot faster, and you can implement this in any kind of circuit or any workout. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna smash some re-cage. I like the strawberry. It's been my favorite lately, so I'm gonna have some of that. I actually had the pre-workout, and I actually took the intra-workout as well today. So that's what I'm taking for today's stack. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, try it out, let us know, and stay tuned for more. Thanks, guys.